This is my go-to pork chop marinade for juicy, flavorful chops with a little zesty heat. All right, let's do it. We've got 10 ingredients here, aside from the pork chops, so all you're gonna do is get everything mixed together in a bowl. So I have a third of a cup of soy sauce, third of a cup of oil, got olive oil here, about 3 tablespoons of minced garlic, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, a couple tablespoons of a Worcestershire sauce, a couple tablespoons here of a Louisiana-style hot sauce, and I've got a good tablespoon here of spicy brown mustard, tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and here is about a teaspoon, or a little bit more probably, of red chili flake. And again, that's something that's super adjustable. You can leave it out for milder, but you can add more if you want a little extra spicy. And this is about a half teaspoon of black pepper. And just go ahead and whisk it all together. Super easy, we'll whip this together in no time. So, all right, got it all whisked together. Now, we're going to marinate the pork chops. I've got a couple of thick cut bone in for this. So just go ahead and pour your marinade over your pork chops. Poke some holes here. Just gotta get a little bit more penetration. Look at that, look at the color on these. Oh man, it's gonna be absolutely delicious. I love bone and pork chops so much. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cover this and I'm going to marinate the pork chops for at least an hour. You could do this overnight if you want to, or get up in the morning and get it going before you go off to work. Builds lots of flavor. A little bit longer marinade will give you a little bit more flavor. So if you can do it early on, do it. All right, my pork chops have been marinating for a couple hours actually. And yep, they look delicious, so I'm gonna grill these up today. So, all right, pop these onto a good hot grill. Listen to that sizzle. I'm gonna give it a flip here. Oh yes, look at the color on that. Amazing. All right, let me give it a taste. Yes. Pork chops, delicious. I love them. You can also print this recipe with full details on the website at chilipeppermadness.com.